You're charged with burglary of a building that's a state jail felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea.
Now pause for a second. What you're hearing might sound routine, but this is the calm before the storm. Behind every formal yes ma'am is a person staring at real consequences. In Texas, burglary of a building is a state jail felony. That's not just a slap on the wrist. The next few minutes will decide whether Cisco gets another shot at life or sinks deeper into the system.
Is calling 2025 CR 011122, State versus Jacquellyn Cisco. Could I have parties announced?
Megan Galloway for the state.
Lauren Lupton from Ms. Cisco.
And are you Ms. Cisco?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, you received all discovery. Did you review it with your client?
I have, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Cisco, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Sure.
Ms. Cisco, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? You're charged with burglary of a building that's a state jail felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state would call in the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes. Oh, yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms.
Notice how methodical this process is. Every yes ma'am and no sir isn't just politeness, it's record evidence. The judge is ensuring the plea is voluntary and informed. Why? Because if Cisco ever claims she didn't understand her rights, this moment, these words, protect the court's decision. So what do you think? Is this true justice or just legal choreography?
Cisco, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented? You need to speak up.
Yes, ma'am.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, you could be deported, denied naturalization, and reentry. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 8 months in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. There's an $800 fine and no applications. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes.
Defense is at the plea.
Yes, Your Honor.
State is at the plea.
It is, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places? By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that you have no contact with Brianna Rice, David Ham, or Stanton Optical. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations? To the offenses charged, how do you plead?
Guilty.
State any evidence.
State offer states one in attachment.
No objection.
All right, state, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
I did.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor. We ask you follow the agreement.
right. Anything else you wish to say on behalf of your client? So what's going on in your life? Why are you doing this?
I've been banned on heroin.
I'm sorry, what?
I was banned on heroin
Okay.
and I've just made some bad choices in life.
So what are your plans upon release? Do you have a plan?
Hopefully a long-term rehab.
Okay. All right, the court is going to follow your agreement. The court will find you guilty. The court will sentence you to 8 months in the Bear County Jail under 1244. Give you credit for any time served. There's an $800 fine, time and money to run concurrent. There's to be no contact with Brianna Rice, Stanton Optical, or David Ham. Anything else with regards to sentencing?
No, Your Honor.
Did you review the trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand? Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney.
This is where law meets life. The judge steps out of formality for a second, offering help, not just punishment. It's rare, but it's real compassion in a cold courtroom. The question is, will she take it? And more importantly, how many others never get this chance?
You understand?
Yeah.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. When you're released from jail, if you cannot find an inpatient treatment facility, if I'm still here, you come back here, I'll pick up the phone, call somebody for you can get some help. Because at the end of the day, if you don't stop using, only one or two things going to happen. Either you're going to continue to be in jail or in prison, or somebody's going to be identifying your body because the last time you use may be the last time you use. So if you want the help, it's here for you, okay?
Okay.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Judge. May I
You're welcome.
excuse?
Yes.